I get this question all the time. Why should you use a travel advisor instead of booking it yourself? So, if you've ever said, I want to travel, but I don't know where to start, you are not alone. I hear it all the time, and I hear it from really smart, capable women, and they're just busy or overwhelmed or tired of planning something for everybody else, right? Always planning. So, today, let's break down something a lot of people wonder about. Why should you use a travel advisor instead of booking it all yourself? Now, before we dive in, let me tell you, it's not that you can't plan your own trip. Of course you can. This is about should you, especially if you want something so meaningful and so seamless and even maybe a little more elevated. So let's start with the pros of using a travel advisor. You have massive saving of time. Planning a trip, honestly, can take up to 20 hours. Hotels, research routes, visa rules, experiences, and a travel advisor takes that completely off your plate. And a travel advisor will design something around your needs, your pace, your style, your dreams, completely personalized. And then think of insider access and perks. I'm talking upgraded rooms, private guides, hidden gems, and early access to popular spots. Things that you cannot book yourself online. You need a travel advisor. Then there's support along the way. Flight is canceled, a hotel messes up, or your bag gets missing. Who do you call? Yeah, sometimes you can call that 1-800 number, but you call me and I help. And there's peace of mind. You don't have to second guess. You don't have to triple check. You don't have to worry if you miss something because I've got you. I have got you all the way. So let's be real. There are a few reasons why people hesitate hiring a travel advisors. Cost concerns, number one. People think travel advisors are just for the wealthy. But here's the truth. Many of our services are either completely free, paid for hotels and other places, or we sometimes charge a one-time planning fee. And that's a whole lot less than you'd spend fixing travel mistakes. Some people think they'll lose control. So if you're somebody who loves to research and book everything yourself, that's awesome. A travel advisor isn't about taking away control. It's about offering options, giving you upgrades, and offering expertise that you can choose from. I can do it myself mindset. Sure, but do you really want to? Or are you just so used to doing everything that you forget it could actually be easier? If you're planning everyone else's life, maybe it's time someone planned something just for you. So I'm going to give you an example. One of my clients called me and said, I'd like to take my daughter to Europe for her graduation, but I'm so overwhelmed just thinking about it. She was working full time, managing a household, had a full time job, and feeling anxious about making a mistake. So, together, not her alone and not me alone, we planned a 10-day experience across France and Italy. Private transfers, boutique hotels, hands on cooking classes, and even a surprise photo shoot in Paris. She told me what she wanted, and that was it. And she made memories that will last a lifetime for her and her daughter. And that's the power of using a travel advisor. So, should you use a travel advisor? I'd say yes if you want clarity, not chaos. Yes, if you want to finally take that dream trip without overthinking it. And yes, if you are ready for your travel to feel like a gift, a present, and not a job. So if you're curious what it could be like to work together, I invite you to reach out. We'll hop on a quick call. I'll help you get clear on what the next best step is for your journey. You deserve more than a trip. You absolutely do. You deserve a journey that completely changes you, like my book talks about. So let's make it happen together. Click on the link to get started or visit my website to learn more.